Okay, this is me turning it on from the inside of the car. Listen. It sounds like a bit of a misfire. And now this came up. It said charging malfunction. Here it is. Here's the ticking. Listen. You hear that? Taka, 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 taka. Alright, I'm gonna turn it off. I'm gonna turn it off. Okay? That's what that was, okay? That ticking started. And it's freaking me out. So I just wanted to send you that video, okay? I don't know what it is, but it is not nice. And it does sound like the misfire that you told me about is getting progressively worse. So I'm gonna leave it alone. It'll stick here in the garage until you get back, and we'll figure out what we can do from there. Because I'm not comfortable driving the vehicle. I'll turn it. I don't even know if I should if I can even turn it on safely. It's a big concern of mine. But I sent you the video. Hopefully you heard the exhaust go blum 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 blum. Another thing was the ticking initially after it warmed up. The tick 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 tick. Now I didn't rev it because out of an abundance of caution. But I did want to let you know that that's something that's a big concern of mine. Is I don't want to have that potential where there is more potential damage that's caused. I don't want to do that. So this is a video of that cold startup. So, and these are the errors that I got. See, I just wanted to give you a heads up. So sorry.